Hi everyone! Welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to upgrade a hero in State of Survival game. Upgrading your hero is essential to dominate in battles, improve exploration success, and strengthen your settlement. First of all, open up the State of Survival game on your device and then from the main homepage, tap on the hero's icon at the bottom of the screen. Once you open up the hero's icon, choose the hero you want to upgrade from the left hand side. Now, on the right section, you will see Hero EXP option. Simply tap on that and then tap on the upgrade button. Right after you do that, you will be able to upgrade your hero. You can also choose another hero and then tap on Hero EXP on the right corner, and if there is an update button or the upgrade button available, simply tap on that. And that's how you can easily upgrade your hero. Now that your hero is leveled up and skilled, test their power in arena or join an alliance rally to crush your enemies. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.